Meaning of bend. Bend is a verb that means to curve or make something curve, usually by folding, leaning, or changing shape. It can also be a noun meaning a curved part of something. 10 daily use example sentences. As a verb. 1. Please bend your knees while lifting. 2. He bent down to tie his shoes. 3. Don't bend the paper, it's important. 4. The tree bent in the strong wind. 5. She bent over to pick up the pen. As a noun. 6. There's a sharp bend in the road. 7. Drive slowly around the bend. 8. The pipe has a slight bend. 9. He fell at the bend in the track. 10. The river forms a bend near the village.